Ready na ang biyahe, kapit lang ng mahigpit. Mga ngiti't tawanan sa bawat saglit. Kasamang pamilya, puso'y laging masaya. Sa Encamp PH, puno ng adventure, diba? Let's go, tara na't mag-explore. Encamp PH, Encamp PH, yeah!
Dito daw ang pasukan. So yan, mayroong tarpaulin na ganyan. Maglalakad tayo.
What's your step? Why?
This is a totally random and ang tawag doon, unplanned.
Out of the blue.
In Tagalog, biglaan. Dito po kami ngayon sa daan papuntang Panoypoy Cove, Maribeles, Bataan. Napanood namin to sa video ni Don Henry. Shout out to brother Don Henry. Tingnan namin kung anong meron dito. Merong 5-minute hike pagkatapos namin mag-park doon sa labas. Pagka kotse po, 100 pesos ang bayad sa parking. Sa motor, alam ko iba yung binayad ni ni brother Don Henry. 30 pesos yata. Mabato. Parang may ginibang. Parang may giniba dito. Wala pang 200 meters tong naglalakad natin. How about you, Rafa?
Yeah,
He's young. Sometimes he's tired.
sometimes.
But his legs are
That's showing
wobbly.
exercise. I'm exercising, bruh. I was trying to kick out.
Parang mahirap dito pag inabot ka ng gabi. Ganito yung mga daan sa Beauty and the Beast. Malapit na kami dito sa dulo ng hiking area at nakikita ko ang dagat. Ito yata yung power plant ng San Miguel. Kasi hindi siya mukhang GMEC GNPD. Ito na. Yan yung power plant. Sinasabi ko. So ito pala yung Panoypoy Cove. Mga katropa, ito pala yung Panoypoy Cove. May baka pa doon mga katropa. Mga kakampo pala. Si brother Don Henry pala yung mga katropa. Mga kakampo, ito pala yung Panoypoy Cove. Paakit ng bundok to How are you guys?
This is my first time hiking in my life.
This is your first time hiking? How is it? Do you enjoy it?
I don't know. I'm just looking out for my legs.
Hey, dito na kami sa pinakamataas na pwesto. Parang malapit na dito yung pinagpwestohan ni Don Henry. Tama siya, maraming ang basura. Parang maraming nagpupunta nga dito at bumibisita na nagiiwan ng trash nila. Ang mga kakampo, wag po natin gagawin yun pag nagpupunta tayo sa mga ganitong klaseng lugar na nature pine-preserve. Nakikita nyo mga kakampo? Ayan, no? Pine-preserve natin to, ingatan natin. What can you say about this?
Awesomeness.
Why?
And beautiful, of course. Because the view, you know?
The view?
Yes.
Wendy.
Wendy?
Windy.
Yeah.
Wendy, the girl of Peter Pan.
No, Wendy.
The girl of Peter.
Buti na lang kami nagpunta dito na palubog na yung araw. Hindi na ganun kainit, mahangin. Mga kasama ko. Hindi nila alam dito kami pupunta. Bakit?
What the? Trash over here?
So, dyan yung nag-island hopping kayo.
Hindi ko masabi eh. Ganda dun sa baba. Paano kayo makapunta dun?
Kasi parang
Bangin na to eh. Saan ka dadaan? Saan sila dumadaan?
This view is like
Yan na,
from,
tingnan mo yung ano,
like
ang
from a
ganda.
movie. This view is like it's from a movie.
long time.
What movie?
Any
View is like the Troy movie.
Troy?
It's the beach of Troy.
Careless.
Do you know the Troy movie?
Maybe.
Ay, come here.
No.
Why? It's too far off.
Are you scared?
Just don't go beyond me.
Are you scared of going to the cliff?
Of course.
Pagod.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sulit bang ako?
Magiging sulit to pagka kumita tayo dito sa video. Panay po ikaw. Can you say, hey,
It's
I'm
good.
interviewing you. Is this your first time seeing anything like this?
Maybe.
Maybe.
But yeah, I guess so.
That's why you should go out more often.
Yeah, enjoy the sun.
Enjoy the outdoors more often.
So that
And not only stay
vitamin
inside
D
the
from
bedroom,
sun
right?
will activate your calcium.
Is it correct?
Mm.
There's no other island across from here.
How about
So
you?
That means it's the edge of the Philippines.
The edge of Bataan.
The edge of Bataan.
Look at the horizon. Pupunta kami dun sa pinaka taas kasi
I want to
nandito na kami. Sayang yung
just
Punta
save
dito.
energy to go down.
kung hindi pa na kami pupunta dun. Oh,
That's not a rock, Rafa.
Remind to check my shoe, okay?
we're like climbing Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Whew. Be careful. We are here. Go up. Why? Help daw.
Oh, there we go. I just find a way.
What's wrong?
Just scared. This is why I scare heights when I was a kid, you know.
I think this is the topmost. Huh? We reached the topmost. Can you do it again?
I almost slipped.
Oh, there's GMEC and GNPD. See it from here. So that's where your dad works. Look at those two towers.
Dandelion.
A 360 view from the top.
Remind me to check out my shoe if there's. Right.
Not even sure if it's gold.
Okay.
Don't sound like Tarzan, you sound like Chewbacca.
So what can you say about your first time hiking?
I almost slipped earlier.
You almost slipped? What would have happened if you slipped?
You will get injured.
I would get surgery.
Need to go back down.
I just get hold someone.
Why are you? You're the one who's supposed to hold me.
Puro mga walang balance. Yung mga kasama ko. Ngayon lang nakakit ng bundok.
No, Raya, go with Dad. Go, be careful with how you step on your knee. Be careful with your right leg. Not too
When you
heavy
step,
on your right leg.
make sure of the step.
That first, and then you
Mas mahirap yata itong sinasabi mong daan, babe. Sobrang tarik. Mas matarik.
Papa, you're the one who's supposed to guide me because I'm older.
Ow.
On the side, no, sideways. Yan.
Use your legs.
You too. Follow this example, sideways. Rafa, I'm ako so very,
I just hold this.
kasi,
Huwag kayo magpakulit. Huwag kayo magulo. Oh, stay here. I'm going to fetch them.
no,
Come here.
then your phone. Oh,
Right.
Diyan ka muna, baby.
mm.
Mm.
Sideways, Rafa. Yes.
It's like a crab.
Stay here.
Okay.
Ako yung nadudulas.
Ay, yung sapatos.
Mali eh. Dapat doon tayo.
Sige, sige.
Ah. Sige.
Sige. Hawak mo sa akin. Yan na.
Pasensya na po yung mga kasamahan ko ay ano, ngayon lang umakyat ng bundok. Here, here, here. Hindi dyan.
Sideways kasi, Raya, so that you don't slip like that.
Sige po, mamaya ko na kayo babalikan. Habang inaalalayan ko itong tatlong to. Dito na kami, medyo pantay na. This is the first time na umakyat ng bundok tong si Raya and Rafa.
You want to take a bath again? Of course.
Because
No
we're
more
sweaty.
eating of what?
Because we're sweaty. Yeah, of course I think I would ego instantly when we get back home.
Ligo, you say ligo.
Ligo instantly once we get back home. Right?
Is this better than Robinson's Place?
Better than what now?
You know why?
Does it bite
Because Dad was beaten by a dog.
before?
Where? You wanna know where?
What?
He was
Do you
beaten.
wanna say it on camera?
You wanna say it on camera?
No.
Later.
Where's Rafa? Balik na po kami
Gentle with dog.
sa aming sasakyan.
It's just that a dog is
Hindi na namin nakuhanan yung daan papunta rito kasi ano, biglaan lang talaga to.
so cute, but I'm scared of it.
Napunta kami dito sa Balon Anito. Tapos dito sa may parang rotonda. Naalala ko, meron nga palang pinuntahan si ano dito, Brother Don Henry. Yung Panoypoy Cove nga na view deck. Kaya
Yeah.
hindi na namin pinalampas yung pagkakataon. Nagpunta na kami.
Green.
Why do you ask?
I just want to know, ikaw Dad,
Blue.
blue. Or
Blue now?
navy blue. Like navy blue.
And I
Tapos
just
you give me three, you think of 3 reasons.
Why Raya?
Reasons.
Magenta.
3 deep reasons why you like that color. It's not like, for example, saying that I like blue because the sky is blue. That's not a deep reason. So, your favorite animal, and give me 3 deep reasons why you like
a crocodile.
animal.
Crocodile. How is that even I put let me think.
Me, I like wolves because they're pack, they're family.
And
They always take care of each other.
the third reason why I love crocodiles is
They're loyal.
the reason why I love crocodiles is
We're
because
back in the real
you
world.
can defend yourself.
That the stranger gets to know that hedgehog, and the hedgehog gets to know that stranger. That it warms up to that person and how comfortable.
Is it in your head?
Simple
I like crocodiles because they're
Happy Lord,
recycled.
nandito na kami sa
kasama
sasakyan.
sa bawat kalsada.
Nagkaroon ng impromptu
Hiking.
content.
Bukas na ang
Hiking. First time hiking for Raya and Rafa.
bukas na ang pinto.
More hikes to come.
Handa na ang gamit
good
sa
exercise.
NWPH.
Best for the
Walang
heart.
kasing tamis.
Yun lang po mga kampo. Salamat po sa panonood. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Click the notification bell para po kayo ma-notify namin mga susunod na video. At pakilike din po itong video na ito. Salamat po mga kakampo. Hanggang sa muli.
Let's make some
Paalam!
Itatayo ang tent sa ilalim ng bituin.